We will today discuss about Indus Valley civilization. What you know first, I want to know what you know about Indus Valley civilization. Yes, what you know about Indus Valley civilization. Yes, what you know about Indus Valley civilization. Yes, yes, what you know about Indus Valley civilization. It is
So it is found in northwest region of the Asia.
yes,
So
mainly in which
इसको
countries?
हड़प्पन civilization भी बोलते हैं.
Yes, it was
So
actually
bronze age
actually there is a time lapse between Harappan and Indus Valley civilization. Harappan civilization was earlier. Okay. So, what type of civilization it was? Yes, what type of civilization it was? Yes, what type of civilization it was? And there is a $1 million question: how and why it declined? Yes, we will discuss it in some classes. It's a very important civilization for us. And it is also called the first urbanization. Yes, you can see the board, I think. It is also called the first urbanization. First urbanized people of India. First urbanization. You can see the board, you can read what is written there. Yes,
Yes, sir, it is visible.
that is visible. You can read first urbanization of India. There's a very interesting thing about this civilization that in India the uh, civilization was urban. It's an ancient civilization and it was urban. We all know what urban is. क्या है urban? Yes. Yes, Alina, what is urban? Yes. What is urban? Yes. Tahreem, what
कि
is
जहाँ
urban?
पे लोग प्राइमरी से
Yes, yes,
ज़्यादा
Khushbu.
सेकेंडरी टर्शरी एक्टिविटीज में इन्वॉल्व हों.
Yes, you are right. Yes, Tahreem, you are saying something also? Yes.
So when population involved in other than the primary activities, मतलब major dominant feature जो होगा वो secondary और tertiary activities में होगा तो वो
Yes,
urban
yes.
areas कहलाएंगे.
Most of the majority of the workforce will be involved in other than primary activities. Means diversification of economy is there. So it is implied that in urban Indus Valley civilization, the diversification of economy was there. And what does it mean? What does it imply? Yes. What does it imply? Yes. What does it imply? That many other activities than other than agricultural activities were there, like cart making, like some fine cloth making. There are evidences to that. Some writing skills were there also in Indus Valley civilization. Their cities were well planned. Have you heard about it? Indus Valley civilization were well planned. We will talk about history, then we will distinguish between Harappan and Harappa, Mohenjo-daro and Indus Valley civilization. But we are taking them as a whole. Well planned cities. Planning was there. Not only cities were there, planning was there. Their streets were on right angle. Intersections were there. Have you heard about it? Intersection was there. And sometimes the streets were in this shape. What is this symbol? Yes. What is this symbol? You can see that? What this symbol is
So
called?
it's for the pattern and arrangement of that sounds.
Yes, but there is some name of this symbol.
So swastik.
Yes, it is the swastika. Swastika arrangement was also there in some streets. And mostly these streets were cutting each other at 90 degree. So they were very well planned. And another feature was there that the drainage or drainage system was these streets were lined with almost pakki sadke. They were lined and
With baked bricks.
yes, yes, Ariba?
With baked brick.
Yes, yes, made baked, sun dried. Actually, sun dried, baked, sun dried and baked. Not baked in fire. They were sun dried bricks, were characteristics of Indus Valley and Harappan civilization. So there's an interesting story about that. We will talk about the line, and there were drainage lines were there, naliyan, and sanitary and sanitation was very good in Indus Valley civilization. So it was a well-planned city. That was an urban civilization. Urban civilization before the agrarian civilization. Think about it. The chronology was very interesting in India. If we talk about the some there were two three waves of people who migrated in India from where they migrated. Yes,
So Central Asia.
Central Asia. Yes, not from only Central Asia. Central Asia, yes, and Southeast Asia. And some migration with trade was there from West Asia. That was Mesopotamian region, West Asia. So with trade, not a massive migration, but from Southeast Asia and Central Asia, there were substantial, if not massive, migration. And not only in migration was there, out migration was also there. Out migration was also there. People came from Iran and Central Asia to India, or the greater India as it was then, and the people also gone out of to India from India too. There are some genes-based genetic studies are there. We will talk about them later. And there were around three waves of migration. Around first migration started in 80,000 BC. BC, you know, I think 80,000 BC. Then from Southeast Asia and Central Asia, and then a second wave of migration came from in 55,000 BC. 80,000 BC and 55,000 BC. And around the same time, some Harappan migration, as we call it. Harappan migration was there also. Early, which we call early Harappan phase. We'll talk about history. So, let's discuss about some interesting characteristics of Indus Valley civilization. And what are the sites? Can you tell me what or where it was in modern day? What was the location of Indus Valley civilization?
हड़प्पा मोहनजोदाड़ो
Mohenjo-daro and Harappa, but in modern terms, in northwest India and Pakistan, in today's Pakistan. And why it is called Indus Valley civilization? Why it is called Indus Valley civilization? It is called Indus Valley civilization because it was along the banks of Indus. The earlier civilization were mainly river valley civilization. These are called river valley civilization. Nadi Ghati Sabhyataएं. Why the early civilization were river valley civilization? Can you tell me about it? Yes?
सो क्योंकि वहाँ पे रिसोर्सेज आसानी से मिल जाते थे ना
Resources and
So most of the people उसी पे dependent, water पे dependent थे
water. Yes, irrigation.
agriculture जो थी वो water पे
Yes, exactly. Agriculture needs water, and there were no modern irrigation systems, so it was they were dependent on natural irrigation system of rivers. Water availability was there, waterfront cities, you can say, and when we have discussed about that when the agriculture is efficient, then only the urban civilization grows out of it. Why? Can you tell me? Yes. Why? Yes. Why it is so? Why for an urban civilization to start, we need efficient agricultural system? Yes. Yes, Mugdha. क्यों हमें एक efficient agricultural system चाहिए urban civilization को prosper and grow करने के लिए? Yes.
तो because अगर किसी भी पर्टिकुलर एरिया में प्राइमरी सेक्टर ग्रो करेगा तो उसके बाद ही सेकेंडरी और टर्शरी पे हम स्टेप अप कर पाएंगे.
When we have an efficient agriculture system and we have some disposable income, if it is hand to mouth existence, then in the secondary activities will not grow. So that is the reason, that is the starting trigger of urban civilization, an efficient agricultural system. That is the key. Though agricultural system is recognized and almost synonymous with rural systems, but efficient agricultural system give rise to urban system. So we can infer that agriculture was very good in Indus Valley civilization. Is that so? Yes, can you name some cities or some sites of Indus Valley civilization? Yes.
Sir, Harappan,
Harappa,
Mohenjo-daro.
yes, Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, yes, Khushbu, you are right. And any other? Any other?
सर राखी गढ़ी
Yes, Rakhi Gadi is a new site, yes. And Meheragad?
So
Meheragad? Kalibangan, yes, exactly. You are right. Mohenjo-daro, Kalibangan, Meheragad, Harappa, Lothal. Lothal is in Gujarat, and some evidences of port, a small port is there, so we can infer that from Lothal the trade by sea route was taking place. If you see the map of India, Lothal has had a port. We believe that Lothal have a port, and it is a vast geographical region from Baluchistan, Afghanistan to Sindh, Gujarat, Makran. It was very very. So it was almost a country. If you mm, see or take the extent of whole Indus Valley civilization, it was a very prosperous and political system was very good, very developed. Some sort of democracy was there. Some written script was there. It was and it was urban. Urban means developed, isn't it? Urban means developed. Around it was not as old as Mesopotamia, but it was quite an ancient and interesting thing is urban system was there.